Trying to be I don't wanna know about feelings. And when they catch you, they always want to play me. I don't wanna know about Cupid and his arrows. They always aim to hurt me. Anticipating and waiting all night. I keep on waiting and waiting all night. It was enough for lovers, it was too much. I wasn't fine. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. What's the meaning of this feeling? The feelings, the feeling. What's the point if there's a reason? Feeling, what's the point if I'll never mention? I know about feelings. And when they catch you, they always want to play me. I don't know about Cupid and his eyes. They always want to me. Anticipating and waiting.
Yo, I just want a night, nothing more. Now your number, not a call. Snap my clothes off the floor, then I'm out the door. I'm just looking for some freaks that can wrinkle my sheets without any commitment, but a one-night treatment. Why need one woman when I live like this? Different chicks running in and out the crib like this. Thought I treated them nicely, so I took me lightly. Nice guys finish last, nice guys in the past. Now I don't want them no more when they walk out the door. I wonder what could have been.